Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by collecting your voice track and music file in the same folder. Confirm both files use a 44, 1K HZ sample rate to avoid syncing issues. Make a duplicate project backup before you begin editing audio to protect your original work. Trim the music to start within 3 to 5 seconds of your voice for a natural lead-in. Check loudness units and metadata so export settings remain consistent across platforms and devices. Import both tracks into your audio editor and align them on separate lanes. Lower the music to approximately 30% of its original level under speech so words stay intelligible. Apply a high-pass filter at 80 Hz to the voice track to reduce low-frequency rumble and improve clarity. Use sidechain compression with a 3:1 ratio to duck the music automatically when speech occurs. Adjust attack and release times to preserve natural dynamics during phrases and pauses. Add a 3 to 5 second fade out at the music end for a smooth finish and avoid abrupt cuts. Check transitions by inserting 3 to 5 second crossfades between music clips if you have multiple tracks. Export the final mix as a 320 kbps MP3 for online use or a 24-bit WAV for archival quality. Listen on studio headphones and a phone speaker to verify balance, clarity, and consistent levels across listening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.